welcome back to Ramble. What a wet day today. I tell you guys, it was raining all last night and it's still raining a little bit. So hopefully that stops shortly. Everything is greasy and wet as you can see, but still it's fun. Hopefully you enjoyed those videos so far. Like I try to bring you how it is, so it's straightforward from the box, as you can say, so you can also experience what I experienced. Not so sure if you can see that on the track itself, but the track is greasy and it's still raining, it's still drizzling along, so it's all bloody wet. I'm wet. It has rained for days, every day in the evening. It's constantly wet, but it's still fun. It's great. You just need to experience that. In case somebody is wondering also what setup I'm using for the springs, I actually have the original springs in the 690, but I have adjusted all the sag in the back and the front. I stiffened it a little bit because, like I said previously, a bit heavier than 70 kilos, and the KTM, the Enduro R, it's bloody stable. I'm really happy with it. You can cope with that. It's a fantastic bike. I'm loving it. Okay, it's not a bike for roads because like your arse is gonna get sore after 100 kilometers. So I put a bit of fur on top of it, and that helps a lot actually. Also, I'm running a TKC 80 in the front and in the rear, and they just fit perfectly. They still grip even on that conditions what we have now. They're great. Literally loving that here. It's so great to ride here, and I think the most important thing is here is you need to relax on the bike in those conditions. You look ahead, you pick your line and you stick to that line, so you don't deviate, so you don't look in front of the bike, so you look ahead of the bike, pick a line, stay with it, and that is the enjoyment of it, because like you have taken your line, you ride through it, you know what's coming, and by the time that stone, that rock, whatever it is, gets to you, you have forgotten about it, but you pass it. Anyway, let's enjoy that ride a little bit, and if you haven't done so, like the video, subscribe to my channel, there's a lot of stuff coming, and also hit that notification bell. There's a lot of branches sticking into the track and trees lying across the track as well. That's fun. Just have to be careful about it. Oh, I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. I think I have to go left here. Let's go up there. Looks a great stretch. It's a bit slippery here. It doesn't take much, a little bit of throttle here so the rear just goes, so you control the throttle, get the grip and have the fun. But there's lots of trees here. Fast sections here, but it's just a shame. It's a bit, how should I say, greasy. It's squirmish underneath, so you really have to be careful because it breaks out easily. And there's also the tree stumps, the fallen trees which are in the track. You just don't know it when you get to one. As you can see in the video, probably anyway, there's loads of them around here. Also there's the gravel, there's a lot of gravel on the track itself and it's loose, so you need to get up to speed here and stay on top of the gravel, because if you try to slow here now you sink into it and it gets harder to drive. So that speed keeps the tires on top of it. Yes, a bit squirmish, but that's part of it. That track is really, it's literally like a highway in the forest. It's so great. I say the gravel, sometimes you get really deep patches and you notice it in the front wheel. So open the throttle, get over it, and that's always good. But yeah, that sky up there, it's still full. There's a lot of rain up there yet to come. So hopefully I don't get that rain, hopefully it clears up, but I doubt it somehow. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff up there, a lot of rain. think I need to turn off somewhere here to the right. There should be a track somewhere. So, unless I've missed it yet so far, I'm not so sure. Well, my map says here to the right, but I can't see anything, so I better stop now. Jesus, now you notice the gravel. Oh yeah, when you slow down, the front wheel goes in there. Really notice you have to take care of that one here. Let's turn here. Oh yeah. Oh god. Come on. Slide out. You're gonna. Here we go. It's deep. It's deceiving. So let's have a look there. It should be somewhere at the left. I can't see anything from the best well not. But it says left here now. But the track should be behind here, those trees, bushes. I think I cut across here. Let's see if I find the track. Unless I'm getting blind. Anyway, I found it now, so I just cut across it. And it wasn't really connected to it, so all good now. That's great. I mean, here there's now the difference to this one here to the other one is, as you can see, that now is a bit greasy. The stones are bigger. It's a bit rougher here sometimes, and it's still bloody wet here. It's really greasy. Like a straight run, but it's going downhill, all loose rocks. Picking my lane and going down. It's not too bad. Yeah, it is slippery. Looks dry, but it's so deceiving. Plus the loose rocks on top of it doesn't help you. I can't choose the middle part because it's like a chamfer, so I goes down left and right. So I have to pick one side, left or right. The right side is a bit better than the left side, so I selected that one here. You can see anyway, there's a lot of loose rocks there, but it's good. Still going downhill. No, I'm not selecting those bushes to hit them. I just stay on the lane what I picked, and if it's a bush there, so what? I just go through it. tell you what, despite the bad weather at the moment, it's still great. I think it's so much different just to go out there and just do it. Just go on the road, hit the tracks, hit the road. But that's me. I'm loving it. Hopefully I can get you to get off your backside, get on your bike, hit the trails, hit the roads, enjoy it. It's part of life. So nice. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's fantastic. But like I said before, I wish we could have a smell in the video so you can smell that. It's happens, right? It smells so fresh now because of the rain. And you have the smell of the wood, the rotten wood, the freshness, everything together. Fantastic. Look at it. This means a beach for me any time. No crowd, just pure nature and pure fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video so far. If you did, like I said before, please subscribe, like the channel, tell others about it, share the video. Let's grow this channel together, let's have fun together. And I think I will stop that video at that stage and see you the next time. Stay safe out there and have fun. Mic is washed, and now I say goodbye till the next video.